In this video, I will provide you with a couple of different ways you can hide some of the nails or screws that might appear in the top of the hand railing. So let's go ahead and take a look at a handrail cap, or the top board in a handrail situation that would require you to have a nail or a screw, or a few nails and screws that would go from the top into the balusters or the supporting posts. And of course, you can always install nails or screws that might go from an angle through the balusters into the handrail cap as a way to hide some of the nails or provide other ways to attach these framing components together. So here's one method. Let's go ahead and take a look at a method that will allow you to attach the handrail cap to a board that we're going to install in between the balusters and the handrail cap. And instead of installing the screws from above, we're going to install them from below. Another method that you can use, and you can use a 2x4 or a 2x6, different sized handrail or guardrail caps here, because we're going to install another board underneath it in the same way that we did in the previous example. We're going to attach this board to the balusters from above and then go underneath with our nails or screws to attach the upper board or the guard railing cap, like we did in the previous example. So not too difficult. And I would imagine by now most of you have a pretty good idea how this will be assembled. So we can use something like this on the bottom and on the top, and it will also provide us with a little more architectural detail. And I've used this method here a variety of different times. However, this method here will require you to attach the guardrail or handrail cap to the structural posts that will be stabilizing the guardrail. And for those of you wondering why I'm referring to a guardrail in any way as a handrail, that's because some building codes still allow you to use the top of a guardrail as a handrail. And if that's the case, you could use this for both a guardrail and a handrail, something that would be a combination guardrail and handrail, instead of having a guardrail that might be 42 inches high, along with a grippable handrail that would be attached to the guardrail's side and not the top.